Did you know that Octopus can read the news for you? Octopus allows you to browse thousands of incoming news items from agencies, RSS feeds, emails, and even social media platforms. That amount of content can be overwhelming, but notification rules can save a lot of work by giving you only what you need to read. Tell Octopus what keywords you're interested in, and it will either notify you or store everything it finds useful in one place. Twitter hashtags. Tags from internal content. Tell Octopus where to look for you and get straight to the point. There's no limit to the number of widgets or notification rules you can have. You can even share them with our team. Work faster with Octopus.